Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to remove FTP folders that are stuck here on the quick access menu. So to the left pane, as you can see, the navigation pane, we have quick access here. Now this folder is linked to the internet. However, the IP changed, so it's not accessible anymore. And we can't unpin it from the quick access. So if we should select the folder, select the three dots here. Let me put it on full screen. Select the three dots. And as you can see, we can pin it to quick access. However, we can't unpin from the quick access. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to leave a destination in the video's description. All you need to do is to copy and paste anywhere in your file explorer. Now let's just go home and paste it here and click on enter. Now, once you've entered, you can select all the files here. These are temporary files. Select all files, right click and delete, or just press the delete key on your keyboard. So let's delete. Now it will leave 3 here. However, that does not really matter. And as you can see here on our left pane on the quick access menu, the FTP folder is no longer there. So that's just a quick video as to how to get rid of folders stuck on your quick access. So thank you for watching. Hope this video was informative. Hacker7 out.